internet is going to be one of the major forces for reducing the role of government. The one thing that's missing, but that will soon be developed, is a reliable e-cash, a method whereby on the internet you can transfer funds from A to B without a...
It's no exaggeration to some that digital currencies could inherit the world. Bitcoin has breached its $64,900 recent high, surging past $65,000 on Wednesday, according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro. For most of its existence, the cryptocurrency has been described as a bubble that is fit to burst. But so far, each stomach-churning fall has been matched with an equally dizzying recovery. Although awareness of this digital asset has risen in recent years, it remains little understood. The Financial Conduct Authority revealed in June that the number of Britons who own cryptocurrencies has surged to 2.3 million. Some countries want to ban Bitcoin altogether, India and China among them, but doing this is easier said than done. The cryptocurrency's decentralized nature means that the Bitcoin network is spread around the world. There's no single person who can be pressured to shut it down, and no one computer that can take the whole thing offline. This has created a years-long headache for regulators. And all of this comes before we discuss the cryptocurrency's impact on the environment. If Bitcoin was a country, it would be the 24th biggest consumer of energy, ahead of Poland and Egypt, and about to overtake Thailand and Vietnam. To compound the problem, less than half of the energy it uses comes from renewable sources. At the same time, we're starting to see how this cryptocurrency could potentially be used in daily life. The cryptocurrency can now be used as a payment method across El Salvador, including in Starbucks, McDonald's and Pizza Hut. Inevitably, the other question is whether Bitcoin's price could rise further. The British financial institution Standard Chartered has predicted that Bitcoin could hit $100,000, £72,000, in early 2022. A Bloomberg intelligence analyst also told me that this price is now the path of least resistance in the short term. Over its 12 years in existence, a regular pattern of 4-year cycles has formed, propelling Bitcoin to record prices before a sharp decline. In 2013, Bitcoin surged from $100 to then unprecedented highs of $1,150, only to fall by 73%. Fast forward to 2017, and a similar pattern emerged. Over the course of the year, its price rallied from $800 to $20,000. Come 2018 and it shed 80% of its value, tumbling below $4,000 at one point. If this pattern repeats itself once again, Bitcoin will plummet in 2022, decimating the investments of those who attempted to jump on the bandwagon when prices were high. Twitter is awash with crypto pundits, often anonymous, who confidently declare a single Bitcoin will be worth millions of dollars in the future. Others dangerously suggest that their followers should take out loans to purchase Bitcoin. Love it or loathe it, Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. While this latest surge will be good news for some, it will be very bad news for those who jump in at an opportune moment, blinded by astronomical gains and celebrity endorsements. So guys, I am no financial advisor, and do not believe anyone should invest into any assets unless you have taken extensive research, and have the spare funds to invest. Don't listen to anyone telling you to take out a loan for a cryptocurrency you know nothing about, because more often than not you will lose a good chunk of your investment. Stay safe out there guys. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment with feedback and hit subscribe.